Damn.
Special, something more than special.
Yeah.
Something more than special.
Back up in this. Yeah. Strange Fruit Project bringing a little something special on this one. Yeah. Come on, Ninth Wonder on the beat. Yeah, packing my bags cause the brother on the road again. Maybe we could do this another time, but I'm rolling in. Start my motor, man. I'm about to head out. Said a little prayer to myself and then I sped out. Thoughts of my family, it's got me hesitating now. Thoughts of insanity, it's got me meditating loud. Insane anger, brothers headed for danger. Looking at my life, it's unleaded and straight dangerous. It's all good, small hood slang the dust. Another brother wanna aim and bust. So I'm out the hood and I'm living in the better city. Cause things go round like merry-go, so let it go. It's getting gritty and they wondering where the crime went. Locked up, incarcerated, most of their time spent behind bars. I rhyme bars, it's necessary. Sorta scary how to live and dwelling in cemeteries. So special, so special.
I can feel it all in my bones.